So first, the natural one. We have a wind up, and then for sure, I have to tell one thing, all the rolling action and everything you can do only when you feel one unit, back and your arms. So that would be a natural rolling action, and that would be a reverse rolling action, okay? So first rolling action, I would like to show some Venice waltz, and for sure we'll try to show the way it's done very strongly.
Slow motion.
Slow motion. Okay, thank you. So, I don't know, slow motion is a little bit difficult to see. We will try to do it with the music a little bit faster. Venus was, sorry, if you can help me, so I will change dances quite a lot. No. Good? Okay. You have to check the watch. Thank you. Okay. So that would be a natural one. Reverse one, we use it on the normal driving reverse action that can be done in two ways. Can we show bounce fall away? Bounce fall away classical way, and then bounce fall away with the roll. First step. Good. And with the roll.
Sorry.
Bad assistant. And again.
Yeah.
Clear? Okay. The same can be done with the chassis. Classical chassis, and then with the reverse rolling action. Progressive chassis to the right, no rolling, and with the right. And again,
Straight.
straight, and the rolling.